Hey guys, History Man here. If I look like I'm sweaty and I'm out of breath, that's because I am, because I just got done finishing the last major update to the layout, which I am going to show you right now, and I think you're going to love it. First off, I want to start on the city side. Like I said in my Christmas update, I got a pack of Easy Street track from Bachman. And I managed to install it. I just installed a simple loop for the trolley, which you can see right here. I had to get some extra track to make an extension, to extend it to the full length of the main drag here. But other than that, I tested it and it works great. During the time that I was doing this, I also managed to get a couple other buildings out, namely this operating gas station. I haven't wired it. I haven't really wired any of the buildings yet. I just put it here because I want to get a sense of where everything's going to go. And I also got out the operating fire station from MTH, which I think looks pretty good there. And now that I have this out along with some other things, I see that I have a lot more room to put more city buildings down. Maybe I can create another lane of buildings right there, kind of to match the style of the two International Hobby stores over here. But yeah, so the trolley line is done. But the bigger update is over there, which I'm going to show you right now. The biggest addition to the layout is the turntable. As you can see, I also added an extra 072 switch over there to lead into the turntable section. I wired everything. The power, the track on the turntable is powered. I also added whisker tracks. I'm keeping it at 4 for now. This is where the roundhouse section is going to be. I powered them all as well. I'm using the CW80 transformer to power the tracks for now, along with the turntable track for now. And I tried testing out the motor, but I think there was an error with shipping, because all I was given was this rectifier because if you know anything about Atlas turntables, they're primarily designed to run on DC power, and that's where the rectifier comes in. It transforms DC into AC. And the rectifier, it's according to the instructions are a bit misleading, because according to the instructions, all you really need is the rectifier. But after doing a bit of searching on YouTube and other places, I think what's needed is an Atlas 210 switch controller, which I've already bought on eBay. They're not that expensive to get. So that's going to be coming soon. But once I have that and I have that installed, it should work, but stay tuned for that. Now, the reason why I got the Atlas O turntable, there are people who are saying, why did you get an Atlas O turntable? Don't you know that there are others that are probably better? And I realize that, yes, there probably are. But here's the thing. The Atlas O turntable, for the money, for how much it costs compared to its competitors, it is really, really cheap. I only got this for about $280 some from trainworld.com, and the other competitors, other turntables, they tend to be around anywhere up into the thousands, and I just don't have that kind of money to play with. And also, the other turntables generally require you to cut a gigantic hole in the middle of your layout in order for it to fit, and I just don't feel comfortable doing that. And that's where Atlas O has an advantage, because it's really, really easy to install. It doesn't really require a gigantic hole to be cut, because the motor is not hidden underneath. It's hidden in this little shack right here, which I will show you. There it is. And all you really need to do to install it is just screw it down through with with screws that they give you into those holes right there. Yeah, so that was my primary motivation in getting the Atlas O turntable. It's the cheapest. It was the easiest to install, and for what I need it for, I think it'll be fine. Once I get the Atlas switch controller, the model 210, it should be fine. But for now, that is going to do it for this layout update. Like I said, this is probably going to be the last major update for a while because one, I need to save up on my on some money before I move ahead with the next portion of the update, portion of the layout, which is going to be the mountain that I'm putting in the back right there, along with the elevated track. I'm really looking forward to that. But the other reason is it's February, and even though it was kind of warm this past weekend, it's still really, really cold. And so it makes working down here a little bit difficult. It's not so cold that it's unbearable, but it does make things a little bit difficult. But really, I need to save up on my money. But once spring comes, it's back to working on this, and the mountain is going to be first on that list. But for now, that does not mean that no videos are coming, because I am planning to make more videos. In fact, I have a collaboration planned with Sean from Sean Station, who of course helped me build the layout. So look forward to that. But for now, I will say goodbye. Thank you all so much for sticking with me, for watching all these videos. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, all that jazz. If you have any suggestions about what I should do regarding the turntable, let me know in the comments. I think that once I get the Switch controller, it should be fine. But other than that, that's going to do it. And I will leave you all with some footage of some trains running from the past couple weeks. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Have a nice day. Thank you. Watch your step. Have a nice day. Welcome aboard. Passengers only. And take your baggage. Thank you. Now departing for San Francisco and all points down. Train number 9, the Shasta Daylight. And right this way. Watch your step.